Welcome into the era of AI. Hello, and welcome in this lecture in which we're going to introduce you to HitPaw Video Enhancer. Now, HitPaw is an all-encompassing software. They have multiple products for video, photo, and audio, but we're only going to be interested in Video Enhancer. Click on Video Enhancer here. It basically explains everything about it. There's a free and a pro version. With the free version, you cannot do anything much of just having a look, right? So you can just see how the video is going to turn out after optimization, but you can't really download these videos. You cannot export them. You can see what they do, but you cannot export them. So you have to get the full version. You have to buy the pro version if you'd like to make use of their most valuable assets. Now, let me go ahead and show you a glimpse of how this works. But first of all, you can try it for free by clicking on the Try It for Free button. And here we have an example. This is a sample of how it would look like after optimization. You can see that the Joker on the right-hand side is looking a little bit better in terms of the quality. Now, of course, the face features have suffered a little bit because it is no longer as realistic as the first one. But this is a different case because this is the Joker. So if it was a real person, you can expect that the features are going to become much better. Now, we cannot export the projects in here because I have only the free version. But I'm going to show you how this works. So if you go to the home page of HitPaw Video Enhancer, of course, after you install it, now I'm just going to click on OK to go back. You need to upload the video which you want to edit. And this simply works by clicking on Upload here, and you can upload the video. Once that's done, once the video has been uploaded, you'll be taken right here in which you can control these settings. Right, so you have the face model. So if you want to sharpen the face or soften the face or whatever it is you want to do. You have these general denoise models. If you want to focus on quality, select quality. You have the animation model here, which you can add. I'm not going to add anything here. And then here you can move up to 4K or just 1080p, whatever it is that you want to go to. Here, when it comes to the other settings, I'm going to leave them as they are. But of course, if you click on export, you'll have to buy. So you cannot use this for free. Now, you can preview up to about 10 seconds of content by clicking on that preview button, which will take you here and show you how the video is going to turn out after optimization, just to get a glimpse of how this tool is. And if it is something that you may be interested in the future after experimenting with it, you can go ahead and probably buy the membership. Now, I don't really see this to be super useful when it comes to deepfakes. I don't need to make deepfakes of better quality, but some people might want to think about, making sure to add that extra touch to the video to make it of higher quality. This is the software for you. All right, so you can see the preview. Here it is on the right-hand side. You can see the new Joker. And if I click right here, it's going to show us the Joker in motion, hopefully. Now, it is not working properly right now, but the bottom line is that it actually works. And if you're interested with this, you can maybe go ahead and use it. So without further ado, I hope that you liked this tutorial here. I'll see you in the next one, in which we're going to go ahead and have some fun cloning Elon Musk. Let's get right into it.